Welcome, everyone. Today, we are exploring the incredible benefits of the Satamuli leaf, a plant that serves as a powerful natural ally for our nervous system. You can think of your nervous system as the complex electrical wiring of your body. To keep it functioning at its best, it occasionally needs specialized support. What makes Satamuli so unique is its versatility. Nature has packed healing properties into both its vibrant green leaves and its sturdy roots, offering us multiple ways to maintain our neurological health and overall well-being. Now that we understand why it is so beneficial, let's talk about the best ways to consume it. For those using the leaves, a gentle approach is best. Simply eating one or two leaves directly just once or twice a week is sufficient for regular maintenance. However, if you're looking for a more concentrated boost to your body's energy and nerve function, you can turn to the root. Consuming a single root consistently for 3 days can provide a noticeable restorative effect, helping to revitalize your system and enhance your natural vitality.